Hello, welcome to a quick unboxing of the Rabbit 349NX. This is a pretty cool 3-inch quad. It's supposed to be super fast and it should be possible to get it up in the air, so the all-up weight should be below 250 grams. So that will mean in certain countries it will fall under different restrictions. And that's what I'm aiming for. That's the same size the Racefly Big Deal is. And with the 0.85 amp hours LiPo 4S, I can stay below 250 grams all up weight. Okay, so the plan is to add CrossFire to it as a receiver. And I see there are two different canopies here. That's cool. White and black, I like that. And it comes with quite a nice packaging. Okay, so that's for the flight controller, MPU 6000. Guess that's good enough if you're running Betaflight or INAV. Cool. And there are the props. They look funky. Didn't expect that. They are not like center holes, they're like square holes. Interesting, never seen that before. Okay, and there's some other hardware. So let's open this up and let's move this out of the way. Okay, so there's some pads. T30, buzzer, lock nuts, zip ties, and that's not sure for what that is. Looks like the FC to EC connector. Okay, so let's open this up. And there we go. So this is supposed to be the Unify version. And it says TBS, so I guess it is that one. Cool. Looks quite nice. And it looks sturdy. Pretty thick carbon fiber here. Let me check how thick they are. So the digital caliber I used to use kind of ran out of battery, so I'm back to measuring like this. So that's probably 4 millimeters thick. Not bad. So let's put it on the scale. 129.1 grams. So let's add the LiPo I'm looking forward to use. And the CrossFire receiver. And if I want to go kind of long range, like a few kilometers. So we're still below that, so that's perfect. Cool. And now let's add some props. Just to be safe side. So they are the adapters, I guess, if you're running a smaller diameter shaft or a motor with a smaller diameter shaft, and the lock nuts. So I'm so gonna run reverse prop direction, so that's why we'll put it on like this. You really should use reverse prop direction because there's literally no downside to it and only upsides. So what I mean with reverse prop direction is they are running like this. Like this. Cool, so we are really just below 250 grams all up weight, so that's like super spot on. And if we put those on here, it might even get a bit closer to 250 grams. But still below. So there shouldn't be any dirt on it, or it would be exceeding the 250 grams limit, but perfect. Okay, so much for unboxing. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.